Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 45. The atomic number of an atom would be equal to its mass number if it A. has a totally filled valence shell, B. has a high charge to mass ratio, C. does not contain neutrons, D. exhibits isotopy. So we are asked when or in what condition would the atomic number of an atom be equal to its mass number. Now, the mass number of an atom is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, and then the atomic number is the number of protons. So the condition for the mass number to be equal to the atomic number is if this other factor in the other factor you consider in mass number, which is number of neutrons, is absent. So the only condition where atomic number will be equal to mass number is if the atom does not contain neutrons. So as we have seen, does not contain neutrons is option C. So option C, does not contain neutrons, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.